Hi, this is Kautilya Roshan and we will be talking about today how we can use SEMrush for our SEO needs. So we will be exploring all the features of SEMrush for SEO purpose, what we can do that. So do watch video till the end to know what all SEMrush has for SEO purpose. And those who are new to my channel, they can subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon and to share with others so that others can also learn from the videos. Now let's start. So at the starting you will open the SEMrush. This is the paid version that I have for SEMrush. Those who are seeing the video for the first time in SEMrush, you can go to my playlist. I have already made one video for SEMrush. You can go and you can check that. That was the basic one for about what SEMrush is all about. And again, you can also check other video. I have created the playlist like for SEO videos are there, social media videos are there and all. So I will highly advise to do that. Now again, let's see for SEO what SEMrush has. So if I go to the SEMrush, so I can go here, I can log in, and after that I will be mentioning in here. So again, in SEO you can see today we will be talking about SEO. So I can go in SEO dashboard. So once I go to the SEO dashboard, I have already added one of my projects here. So I have added the website name, and then afterwards if I scroll down I can see all the things. So again, you can see here the authority score given by SEMrush. You can see the organic traffic for the month, and then again you can see the organic keyword here, and you can see the paid keyword and the referring domain, like how many backlinks the website has. Then again, if you go, you can see here the site audit particularly, and again you can check here the errors, what all errors the site has, and you can check the site health, and you can see how many pages I have crawled. For the website we have crawled 500 pages, and we can see here the warnings. So again, if I click on the errors particularly, so once I click on the errors, you can say I can go and I can check the errors here. So I can go and I can see 52 pages have duplicate meta description, 10 like issues with duplicate title tag are there, 8 pages have duplicate content, like same content is there. So I can go and I can see all the errors like that, particularly warning, notices. So again, have no anchor text, particularly outgoing external link content, no follow attribute, 186 pages have only one internal link. So again, this is giving me all the recommendation that it could for the site that I have pasted basically. So that is again a good thing to have particularly. Now again, if I go to my SEO dashboard back, so I can go and I can see here the warning also, whatever warning that they are giving in the my SEO audit. So if I go here, you can see here the warning. So again, I can see here the recommendation. So again, you can see within a minute and two we can find that. But again, remember, you have to go to the home page for doing this, and you have to add the project. So again, how many projects you will add, then after that they will take some time, basically 2 to 4 hours. In some cases they take like 12 hours also to complete the audit. So after that you can go to the SEO dashboard after adding to the projects, and you can go to this SEO dashboard and you can get all the SEO things. So here errors and warning are the recommendation. Then afterwards, if you scroll down here, you can see here like for the keywords what we are ranking, what are the positions that we are in, and then again authority score of the backlinks. And then afterwards, if I scroll down, basically if I go up the page, then I can go and I can see start from the domain overview. So again, in the domain overview, I can go and I can see, I can give the website link that I want to. For suppose I want for the website, like for example, if I want for the same website, I can go and I can copy the website and I can go here and I can paste, and then I can click on the search. So once I click on the search, so again I can see here the domain overview, like authority scores and all the things, and here the top keywords, particularly what are the keywords and all, what are the keyword by intent, like informational, navigation and all. So I can get all the details, branded traffic, and then organic competitors I can go and I can take here. So I can go and I can click on view details. So I can see here the details of the keywords that are there, what are the volume and all that. So again, KD is keyword difficulty, these are the position, basically intent. So intent means like intentional keyword that they have highlighted basically. So I can get a pretty good amount of keyword that I can work for this particular website, and you can see here India, US and all. So I can go and I can see that. Now I can go and I can see the traffic analysis also after seeing the domain overview. So in the traffic analysis, I can go and I can see particularly what traffic that we have basically for all the devices and all. So I can go and I can see here for all the months, like quarter or last 2 quarters. So I can go and I can see here there are not much traffic, so that's why they are not showing here the traffic basically. Then again I can go in the organic research, and in the organic research I can again see the keywords guys, and the traffic cost, and then branded traffic and non-branded traffic. So again you can see here the top organic keywords that we have. So if I want, we can go and we can see for all the keywords that are there and what position we are ranking and all the things, the URL and all that, volume and all, we can know that. So again that is a good thing to get into that. Then afterwards I can go back, so I can go in the domain analytics. Then again I can go here in the organic research, and then here again particularly keyword by intent. So I can go and I can check here transactional keywords and all that. So again I can click on view report to check that. So these are informational, this is transactional keyword. So I can go and I can take that particularly an idea. So again, if I want to work on SEO part to increase more revenues and all, so I can take this transactional keywords and I can work upon that particularly. And those who have not seen my SEO video, they can go in my playlist, there is SEO playlist, and you can see the full SEO videos to get how to rank on the SERP Google Ads, Google page, Google result page. Then afterwards, if I go for the keyword gap, so I can go and I can again root domain, any competitor if I want to add, I can go and I can add that. For example, suppose if I want to add, so they are also recommending me. So again, if I go and I click on compare, so again I can go and I can compare. So I can see here the missing keyword top opportunity among whatever my brand and what I think is a competitor, I can know. And here again I can see for my brand and I can see for that competitor brand. And here again I can go and I can see here shared keyword, missing keyword, weak, strong, that keyword is not there in my brand and all. So I can go and I can check that. So again this is also very good thing. Then I can go and I can check the backlink gap. So again if I want, I can go and I can check here, I can add more root domain. So again if I am competing, so I can go and I can find that. So again like any brand that I want, so for example suppose I want to find from Nika fashion, so I can go here and I can search. So if I go to Nika fashion and suppose I copy the URL, so once I copy the URL here, then I come and I give in here, and then again you can see here authority score for particularly I can go and I can find that. So again here you can see last 12 months last score. So again in google.com for Kanika Sharma you can see here the results, and again if I want, I can go for that. So I can compare here monthly visits and all that. So again it gives me a good idea particularly where we are standing besides our competitor basically. Just like that I can add multiple domain and I can find that details. Then afterwards if I go to the keyword research, I can do the keyword here, keyword overview we can go and we can do. So again like particularly if I want, so here I can go and I can have my client URL rather, or like suppose basically I can go and I can have URL and I can click on search. So again when I search, so again I can go and I can have request content a domain name, this Google in the search bar, go to the organic. So again here basically they are saying the volume that we are getting and all that, so that all parameters they are giving us basically. Then Then after that you can go to the keyword magic tool, and here again you can see here particularly keywords magic tool. So again basically like request, so I can go and I can have, so for example, so again if I go here and question based or broad match based, so again you can see here like particularly if I see the keyword, I can go to keyword magic tool and I can enter the keyword now. So suppose by designer clothing, so I can go and I can search, and then here I can get here the intent. So intent transactional, you can say particularly. So if I want to increase the revenue, I can go with that particular, and here are all the keywords by number and by volume. If you want, volume is the average monthly search volume. So I can go and I can see here the broad match keyword with higher intent and all. I can go and I can check that. So if I want to work on these keywords, I can go and I can check. So again this keyword magic tool works well to find out more intent based keyword. Intent based again means having more intent so that people go and they can buy. Then I can go to keyword manager here. So once I go to the keyword manager, so I can click here and I can create a list. So for example, I am giving ABC and I am creating that. So again I can go here. You do not have keyword in this list yet, so I can go in keyword overview, and if I want I can go and I can add that basically from keyword magic overview and all. So here it will be all the keywords, like I can go and I can manually also add. So I can go to the database and I can add that manually. So they will be giving me what is happening with that keyword. Then I can do the position tracking also. So I can enter the domain name. So for example, I can enter this domain name and I can enter the location. So again for India if I want, and again business name I can go and I can have, and then again I can go with the keywords and I can add here the keywords and add to the project, and I can start tracking that basically. So again after that basically they will be giving the position, at what position that particular keyword is coming. So if you are using SEMrush for regular purpose, so that will help you to see like managing your efforts, like you are ranking up in the order or not, on how your SEO things are working and not. Then afterwards you can go with organic traffic insight. So once you go with the organic traffic insight, again you can enter the domain, and once you enter the domain particularly, after that particularly we can enter and then get insight. So I can go and I can get the organic insight here particularly. So again for organic insight, again I will go and I will particularly provide the keywords. So again they want me to connect to Google account, so again search console and all. So I am not connecting now. If you want, if you have a personal, you can go and you can connect to that, and again it will be giving you recommendation what all things can be done. Then afterwards I can go to the backlink analysis. So again I can go and I can type the link. So for example, suppose I want to know for this Nika, so I can go here and I can enter the URL and I can click on analyze. So once I click on analyze here, now again I can see the backlink of this Nika fashion, and again I can go to the referring domain, again from how many domains it is coming, how many backlinks they have, monthly visited from that, and the keywords and outbound domain. And then again I can scroll here, referring domain, backlinks, new and lost backlink, top anchor means on what word they are putting the link basically, backlink type, and then categories of referring domain from where they are getting the traffic, and then again here the domain authority score. So you can see here how many domain authority score are there. So this is the categorization, and again you can see how many follow link, no follow link, sponsored links are there and all. And again you can see here top level domain distribution like .com, .in, India and other, and from the which country they are getting. And again link profile distribution, referring IPs, referring subnet and all, total pages. So again we can see quite a good detail, so that suppose if I am working on my company, so I can go and I can see and I can follow like how they are doing it particularly. If they are ranking good, obviously they are doing a good job particularly. Then after that I can go and I can have backlink audit. So I can click on backlink audit. So I can go here, and again of the particular website I can go and I can create project, and I can do that so that I can get all the things, particularly like any like you can say whatever things are there, I can get to know. Though in the backlink analysis also you can know, particularly here we checked for Nika. So again I can go and I can check, for example, what are the links and all that, keywords and all, referring domains. So I can go and one by one I can go and I can check here. So again, this is again a good idea to have doing the competitor backlink analysis. Then after that, particularly link building tool, if I go, so again I can enter. So suppose I want to enter, so I can go here and I can enter. So again, like I can add here the keyword. So again I can add the keyword and then I can proceed. So again, for example, suppose I want designer clothing. So designer clothing, I can go and I can click on add, and then again once it is done, then I can go here, particularly add competitors to outform. So suppose like this Nika, for example, we have to go. So I am going and I am adding one competitor, add, and start link building. So I started here. So again, particularly they will go and you will see here, select the best link, prospect, add in prospect. So again they will be adding lot of, they will be reaching out, in progress and all, they will be tracking the visibility and all the things for me. Then afterwards, bulk analysis. So if I want, I can go and I can do bulk analysis of all the domains. I can enter, suppose I have 5-6 domain in my mind. So suppose if I go here, I can go and I can do, I can go and I can have that. Then afterwards, if I want, I can do for other also, like I can go whatever designer clothing we have, we can go and we can do that one by one. So again I do 2. So suppose like if I go and if I do third, so I can go here and I can copy, and again I will come and I will give, and again click compare. So again they will be doing, now I can see and I can compare, see how many backlinks they have, all I can go and I can see domains, from which domains they are getting that, monthly visits. So again you can see here, follow, no follow links, text, images and all that, what kind of link they have. So again that will help me to know like, okay, multiple competitor inside one time. So I can see how many follow link they are making, how many no follow links are they are making, and I can get a list of their follow links and all that. So one by one I can go and I can get the ideas of. Then after that, site audit. So you can go in the site audit here in on page. So again, once you have added the project, as I said, on the project you need to add that, then they will be giving you the score, like what all things are necessary, how many errors and how many warnings are there, that already we have seen. Then afterwards, if I scroll down here, listing management also they have. So you can buy their program for listing management, and you can check their price in their official website. So they gives you recommendation how you can boost the visibility and all. Then again, SEO content template that they have. So again, like suppose I want to target any keyword. For example, suppose I want to target digital marketing course. So if I want to target digital marketing course, and suppose I want to target for India, so I can go and I can select here India. So once I select, and then afterwards region and desktop, and I can go and I can create the template. So once we create the template here, it will take some time. So here you can say here Google top 10 rivals they have given, so I can work on that. So again you can see here, depending upon like they are giving me related keywords, backlink, readability, text length, all the things. And again here you can get a good idea on what is the ranking, top 10 ranking, page title, meta description, h1 and text. So again, if I want, basically I can export this to doc basically. So that will be again useful for me in getting that. Then again you can go on page SEO checker. So again you can go to that, and here you can go to domain, you can go on domain, and again you can continue. So again, after that you can go and you can see what all things are there, auto import. So again, you can see how many keywords we can target, what are the possibilities and all that basically. So that is a very good thing. So you can see the keyword and the pages, highest ranking pages and the keyword. So if I want, I can collect all the ideas. If you want, you can go with the manual also. Any file, CSV file, you can upload and you can link that to Google Search Console also if you want the data, and the organic search data here you can get what are the volumes, what is causing more volume and how much position they are coming for. So again, this is a good analysis of all the SEO thing. After that, log file analyzer. So if you are working as a, like you can say, particularly developer also in the company, so again you can check all the file that is causing basically difficulty in loading time and related to that, like JavaScript and all that file. So you can upload that, like less than 1 GB you have to upload, and you can analyze that. And after that, you see they have local SEO also, so you can have that local SEO. If you go here, so listing management also you can go and you can buy and you can work, and they will be giving you the recommendation on well. So my recommendation, if you are working on SEO, yes, they give lot of stuff or lot of things to do. So if I am looking for a competitor analysis and I am looking for a keyword that I should work for, and like transactional keyword that we see, so overall I will say it is a good tool to have. So those who are new to the channel, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get my latest video, as I will be making video on lot of paid tools as well, and all related to digital marketing. And don't forget to share with other people. So thank you guys, have a great day ahead, see you in the next video.